good, whatever time of day you're watching this, guys. Welcome to another episode of The Hunt for Bronze. Today's kind of not really a fishing mission, more of a leisurely paddle. Me and my partner over there, yeah, we're kayaking, we're having a good time. But I've brought the rods along just to see if we can pull a fish or two. Last time I was here, well, this happened. And I pulled a big bass, but I wasn't actually filming. Here's that fish. I kind of filmed the end of it, but as you can see, everything was soaked and you can't actually see anything properly. So yeah, today we've got a jig. Well, I'm gonna put the jig on, but we've got some plastics. We've got those weedless plastics on again. We're going to give it a go because I had 2 follows on them last time. The buzz bait, as per always, because we're river fishing and river fish love buzz baits. If you haven't done so already, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are oh so close at the time of filming this to 2,000 subscribers. I hope you guys have enjoyed what I've been putting out recently. For those that have missed it, I've been doing some cool Saratoga missions along with all the regular bass stuff and stuff like this in the kayak. So without further ado, we're going to put you on the chest. I'm going to get to casting and fishing, having an all-round good time. We're just going to enjoy ourselves and enjoy the sights and sounds. Let's go. God, that looks incredibly fishy in there. Gonna pick up the jig for a bit. We're gonna slow it down, give that a go. I was fishing the Senko. Yay! It's alright, you saw a turtle, that's good. Oops. Yeah. The only time they'll ever come to you is if they're panicked, and you'll hear that. And then you'll hear it and you'll be able to go off. Oh, yep, yep. Oh, yes, yes. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, real nice fish. Lovely. Beautiful river bass. Beautiful river bass on the jig, guys. Did not expect that. Was not paying attention one bit. How cool is that guy? Look at that. Let's bring him around this side with the net. Oh, 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 you want to go that way? In the net. Nice. Very, very nice fish. It's about a 37.5 fork of that one. How good is that? Where's it? There we have it. There's that bronze battler on that jig. Absolutely smoked it. Using my favourite jig rod there, or light jig rod, the Bass Magnum. As you guys know, I really like that for any weedless presentation or anything where I need to drive the hooks home and muscle the fish out. This time I actually put a trailer plastic on, the Demiki Air Crawl, the little one. I'm just going to need pliers for him. But yeah, that's that, and we'll let him go, and yeah, we'll try to get another one. How cool. And I'll just take that back, thank you. See you, mate. Bye. Well, that jig's actually ruined for this trip. That skirt is coming off. Bugger. Well, no more jig because that skirt is about to be no more. That's disappointing. Let's hope we've got a jig that I can use in its place. Could use that, but they're not weedless. It's a bit light. That might be a bit heavy. That might be the only option though. That'll be the only option. A bit of a heavier jig. Don't know how that'll go. I did like the light slow sink of the other one. It's 3/8 of an ounce, so it's a fair bit heavier. So it'll sink pretty quick. Back to it. That last jig, unfortunately the skirt came off. It's a lighter jig. Whereas this is a lot heavier. This is 3/8 of an ounce. Which I'm not overly confident with in the river, but hey, a lot of people using this heavy. I just don't like how heavy that splashes. Definitely might be changing this one on over. I don't like how heavy it lands in the water for a jig. I don't know what to. Might even put a light Texas rat weight on the stick bait and sink that down. Okay. So we're nearing the end where we're going to turn around and paddle home, and the end of the episode. It was very short-lived with that jig bite, that one fish, and then the jig, the skirt went, and the other jig was just too heavy for what I wanted. So I got the old demi. Alright, that's it. Game over. Hope you guys have enjoyed this very short, abrupt episode of the Hunt for Bronze. Yeah, the go-to was that little jig I used last time in this part of the river. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, the skirt got destroyed on it, so I'm going to have to put a new one on there. Other than that, the rod I was using, good old Hunt for Bronze Bass Magnum. Hunt for Bronze, ACM custom rod, Bass Magnum. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, we're out. Woo!